This week in AI news, we'll cover everything from Google's tailored app recommendations and GR's blazingly fast AI processing to Chrome's useful new AI writing tool and Adobe's AI that listens to your documents. Apple's large-scale AI initiatives, the surprising chatbot actions, and Google's groundbreaking brain research on Gemini. Let's jump right ahead with Google's Gemma initiative for developers and SAP's strategic thrust towards AI innovation. All right, so Chrome has released a neat new feature called Help Me Write. This tool is meant to assist you with writing online, whether you're trying to book a hotel, sell something, or write a review. It's pretty clever and can even improve your writing by comprehending the content of the page you're writing about. For instance, if you're reviewing garden tools, it will use information from the page to make your review more helpful. As of right now, Chrome M122 users in the US can test it out on Mac and Windows PCs by simply logging into Chrome. Access the settings. To make your online writing tasks a little bit easier, locate the experimental AI section and turn on Help Me Write. Once it's on, you can right-click in a text box and select Help Me Write to get some assistance with your writing. Alright, so Adobe recently made a neat update to its Acrobat software. They've added a new AI tool that makes it really easy to talk to your documents instead of having to sift through lengthy PDFs or text files to find what you need. This AI assistant can do it for you. It can summarize information, answer your questions, and even suggest things you might want to ask about. This is very helpful for students or anyone who deals with a lot of documents because it makes it quicker to obtain the information you need for emails, meetings, or presentations. The AI is intelligent, protects your data, complies with Adobe's privacy policies, and works with a variety of file formats, including Word and PowerPoint. If you already pay for Acrobat, it is available for free. Adobe intends to add more exciting features to this AI, such as the ability to pull data from multiple documents simultaneously and assist with writing drafts. Although the duration of the free trial has not been announced, they plan to make it a paid add-on when the trial expires. Google is developing App Highlights, a neat new feature for the Play Store. This tool shows you potential apps based on artificial intelligence, or AI. It determines your interests and recommends apps based on those findings. This implies that searching for new apps will be quicker and easier, without having to sift through ones you don't want to use. A user called Assembly Debug discovered this feature and posted it online. It's now undergoing testing, so only a small number of users can see it. Google has not disclosed the release date or whether it is compatible with all devices. This is why it's fantastic. They've designed special hardware to make AI run 75 times faster than how fast a person can type. This is great because when you talk to AI chatbots or them to write emails, you want answers quickly. This can also help app makers get noticed by more people, which is awesome for them. In summary, this AI feature is changing how we find and choose apps and making it way easier to find the good stuff and skip the rest. Whereas others use GPUs for general work and graphics, Groq focuses on developing significantly more efficient software and processors for AI and machine learning. Groq created LPUs, which are better for AI because they handle how AI interprets language, making things run up to 10 times faster than they would otherwise. Groq doesn't create its own AI models. Instead, it speeds up the work of others. You can even try using their technology for free online with some of their models, such as Llama 2. They are currently working on more projects, but for the time being, they're enhancing what's already available. Tim Cook. This year, there will be some interesting developments in AI, as hinted by Apple's CEO. Apple aims to demonstrate to the world that it is a major participant in AI by releasing improved hardware in addition to new software features that may alter how we use our gadgets. Everyone is anticipating iOS 18 because it is said to be a significant release with a heavy AI focus. According to reports, Apple is developing its own artificial intelligence technology, or Apple GPT, which will launch in 2022. This technology is anticipated to power a variety of smart features on Apple goods, making them more engaging and intelligent and raising the enthusiasm. According to sources, Apple's upcoming CPUs, the A8 and M4, will have a superior neural engine with more cores. This means that Apple devices will be more adept at AI jobs, perhaps bringing new AI capabilities and making things like Siri and Apple Music smarter. Apple is considering generative AI, which can produce text, graphics, and even dialogue. With the new iPhone 16 models arriving in September and these better chips, we might see certain AI features that are exclusive to these handsets because of their enhanced capabilities. As Tim Cook indicated, they're studying this area and will reveal more specifics later. Please feel free to share your thoughts. Do you like to learning about this? Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to more exciting AI backup updates. Thanks for watching this, and see you next one.